Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the photo in the Canva resume template. So if you want to create your own resume but you don't want to create it from scratch, you can use the templates in Canva, and here I'm going to show you how you can change the photos. You can see the in Canva there are lots of templates that you can use, but it comes with an existing photo. And if you want to change it, just follow these steps. So select the resume that you want to use, for example this one. Okay, it will be open, and after it is open, what you need to do is just add the photo. So I'm going to just use the photo from Canva because it's just an example. Click on the photo and drag it into the photo frame like this, and just like that it will be changed. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.